itchy, runny nose, chest congestion, persistent tickling cough, burning, red, and irritated eyes, unbearably itchy skin, feeling exhausted even though you've just woken up. Sound familiar? That's because you've been sharing your bed with unseen strangers, better known as dust mites. You spend approximately 1/3 of your life in bed, more time than anywhere else in the home. But amazingly enough, it's the place you clean the least, if at all. Your bed provides a comfortable home to a variety of allergy-inducing bacteria, and typically between 1.5 and 2 million dust mites. The dust mites thrive here, feasting on the dead skin you shed every day. And what's worse is that their waste contains a potent allergen, and the highest concentration of this in any home is in the beds, bedding, and pillows. If you also happen to be an asthma sufferer, all of these irritants can create a problem with increased symptoms. So what can you do to combat these pests? RayCop is a revolutionary UVC technology solution which provides a three-pronged attack. Its unique UVC sterilizing lamp kills 99.9% of bacteria and helps eliminate dust mites and germs. The vibrating pad assists in the release of the dust mites, which are hooked into your mattress and pillow. Finally, the vacuum, with its two-stage microalgae filtration, will safely and efficiently assist in the removal of dust mites, their feces, and bacteria from your bed. RayCop is the only product of its kind and has been awarded the coveted seal of approval from the British Allergy Foundation. So, if you want to wake up every morning feeling fresher, use RayCop. It's made to clean the unseen.